Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make a logo design for your brands and your business. Okay, so once you sign up with Canva, and when you get to this page, okay, you have a search. Say, what will you design today? Okay, so the quick way to do this is actually you can use the search dialog box. You go ahead and just think of the section you want to work on. For example, let's say I want to work on logos. I want to get logo because I can use Canva to do several designs. Okay, let's say I want to get logo. Let's say logo education. So educational logo. Okay, so now you can see education logos, educational logo. You can see educational logo. So I go ahead and click on the educational logo. Alright, so when I click on educational logo, I will have several logos, several of them. Okay, you can see several logos I have. Mind you, when you see this crown, you see this is Pro. You can only use them if you are subscribed to the Pro version. Okay, some of them are Pro, some of them you don't need Pro, like this one. You don't need to have a Pro subscription. So this is not Pro. This is not Pro. So the ones that have crown, you can only use them on the Pro version. You can see. So there are several logos. Okay, this has no Pro. You can see. So there are several of them. There are hundreds of them. Okay, so just for the purpose of this video, we are going to just use one of them. Let's say we want to use okay, let's use this. Okay, so what you do, you click on it. Okay, then you can see here customize this template. So you click on customize this template. Okay, so here you can edit the write-up you have to what you want. For example, I can edit this now. Okay, so I have this. Now I have to adjust it. So I just go ahead and reduce the font size because it's very long. So I edit the font size. Okay, so the font size, I can make it bold. Okay, I can change the color. Okay, I can change the color. Okay, so I've changed the color. I can okay, so I can also make it bigger. Okay, so you can see now this is it. You can see I'll adjust the position. You can see, so I can also go ahead to adjust the position of this one. I can also increase it if I want. Okay, you can see and adjust the position. That will increase and the position will be adjusted. Okay, I can also adjust this right up here. So okay, I can make it bold. Okay, you can see I can also adjust the position. Okay, okay, I've adjusted the position. You can see I can also adjust the color of this. Okay, I can also adjust the color of. I can adjust this one. I can adjust this one as well. So look at this. Let's adjust this. Come here. Okay, I can adjust this. Okay, you see I've adjusted this color here. Okay, let's take it back to green. I think I prefer the green for that. Then I can adjust this one to another color. Okay, you can see. So you see what we have now. Okay, it has been adjusted. So I can adjust this. And so I can play around with the colors. See, I've adjusted that one. Okay, let's leave it this way. Okay, you can see the adjustments I have made. I can also adjust the background color. Okay, so I just click on the background. Alright, I'll see the colors here. So this is okay. So then I can adjust the background color. Okay, you can see I can adjust the background color here. You can see I can make it whatever I wish to. Okay, so you can see I've adjusted the background color. You can see. So I can also go ahead to, like, here, this is animates, or I can animate, this. Okay, you can see this, like, okay, let's say this, you can see, you can see. So you can animate it. See, you have different. You see, you can see. So I have already clicked on it. So it's now animated. If I don't like it, I can also undo. Whatever I do, I can undo. It has been undone. You can see. Then look at the position. So then look at this. This is the first write-up. The second write-up, practice makes perfect. Then this is the logo itself. Right, this is the background color. Okay, so I can actually customize it. Okay, so magic white and all that. Okay, so if I want to more from the right, I can rewrite. This is to rewrite it. You understand? So I can rewrite it and all that. So I don't want. I can also delete it if I don't want it. Then it has gone off. I can undo to return it. Okay, so it's back. Now you can see that. So now on designs, click on designs. Now these are more designs. These are designs that I can actually use. If I want any of them, I can use. Okay, I can just drag and drop. Okay, add templates, don't show again. Okay, so add new page. So this will be a second page to this, or I replace the current page, whatever I want, but I don't need it. I take it off. Okay, so these are for designs. I have different designs I can use. Okay, now elements. Okay, so for the elements, I can choose whatever I want from here, and I just drag and drop. For example, let's say if I want this, I can just take it, drag it, and drop it here. Okay, it becomes part of the design. Okay, so but I don't want this, I just go ahead and delete it. Okay, so I can drag and drop anything I want from here. Anything I want, I can actually drag and drop. Okay, so I can drag and drop. So then if we go to text, so I can actually add a text. So add a text box. Okay, this is another text box I've added now. So I can actually add the text box. I can add something here. Okay, I can add something here. Hello everyone. You can see I can add a text. Okay, you can see, so I can add a text. So if I don't want it, I can also drag and take it off. It's off, you can see. So I can add whichever style of text I want. Okay, let's say I want this. If I want this, I drag. Okay, and drop here. Okay, so then I can adjust it. I can change the writer. How? You can see I can adjust this. You see, I can see. So the new year. So I can, if I don't want it, I can also drag it and take it out. Then I can also delete. Okay, you can see. So everything is possible. Now this brand, I cannot use it unless I get a pro version. Okay, so if you want to use the pro version, you click on this. You can see try it for free for 30 days. So you have 30 days free trial for the pro version. So just go ahead and input the details that are needed. Actually, then you can use the pro version. So I don't want the pro version for now. Okay, so now uploads. You can upload pictures, images. You can upload images or upload videos. These are my videos. These are my pictures. These are some of my pictures. Okay, from Google Pics. So videos I can add, audio I can add as well. I just drag and drop. Okay, so this is I can drag this and drop here. You can see. Okay, so I don't want it, I take it off. Suppose I'm designing a logo. So draw. I can decide to draw. Draw one I want the color, I can edit the color. If I want this, I click on it, then go there and I can draw. For those that are artistic, I can always draw, you understand, on my logo. If I don't want it anymore, I go ahead and remove. Okay, so then we have projects, then we have apps. So this is basically how to do a logo design on Canva, and it's very, very interesting. When you are done, what you want to do is to save what you've done. You click on share. Then, okay, so then you can download. Okay, you can see. Now, if you are on the pro version, you can download a transparent background logo. So this logo now comes with just transparent, just this and this right up. This background will not be there. The background will be transparent. You understand? But this is from the pro version. Then I can also compress the file for the pro version only. Then I can save. I click on this to save. Then I click on download. Okay. So then the design will be downloaded on my system. Then I can actually open it. Okay, so this is my logo design. You can see, very easy and very simple. This is my logo design. So this is how to use Canva to make a logo design. You can make any design. You can make the design of your choice. You can always go ahead to play around the tools available in Canva to get a very, very good design for your brand. So I hope you understand the process I took to actually arrive at this. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button to subscribe, so that subsequent videos, when I make them, you get a quick notifications on my videos. And also I'd like you to also give a thumbs up to this video if it has impacted you. Thanks for watching.